What's up, everybody? Got a light bar for the Defender today, so we're going to be putting that on. So this shouldn't be too long of a video. We'll see how it goes. I think we're going to have to do a little drilling into the roof for the brackets, but got an injora light bar. We'll see how she looks. I seen a picture. They did have it on a Defender, and it looked pretty good. So that's what we're beginning. Excuse me. That's what we're going to be doing today. So I'll go ahead and get this out of the package and everything, and get everything set up, and we'll get this thing on. Okay, guys, got everything out. Wasn't too much. Got your two brackets. Got your light bar. Got a split cable here, so you can run two light things or whatever you need to do. Which I'll probably be using that when I get the light kit for this. I'll probably have it in the light bar and then the light kit. And then I can turn them on and off or do all that good stuff. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put our brackets on the light bar. Get our bolt here. Go ahead and put them in so we know how wide we need to be for our bolt holes. I'm pretty sure I just dropped that screw. Pretty sure. We're going to try it this way first and see how it works with the tabs out. I might end up having to have the tabs in. We'll see how it fits here real quick. See how it fits, because it might be too wide with the tabs out. My hands are a little shaky and weak. I just got done riding dirt bikes all day. Alright. That in there. Okay. Set this guy up here and see if that's going to fit right. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I figured. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put them tabs to the inside where they're underneath. Then I'll just have to figure where I need them to be at. So, alright guys. I'll get these all turned around and everything, and then I'll measure out and all that stuff where I need to be. Okay guys, I got the tabs in on this thing. It's still a little tight in between these two rails, but it fits good. So I'm going to take them tabs back off, and then I'll just put them right against here, right against your rail. These two rails right here. We'll put them right against there, all the way up forward, and then we'll drill our holes in. So I'll take these guys off, back off. So we'll have to make 2 holes for each bracket. Then, yep. Okay. Set that over there. Alright, so I got a little bit bigger bit for this one. A little bigger than the holes we had to drill for our window guards and stuff. A little bigger. Which I'll probably have to get a bigger bit than this one too also. Alright. So we're going to set this right up here up front. You guys see that? Yep, sit all the way up front there. Do a hole up front. going to see if one of these bolts will fit in here real quick and snug that down, and I won't have to worry about it moving. Might have to get it a little bit bigger bit, maybe. Maybe so, yeah. Grab a little bigger bit real quick. Let's see here. That one's a little bit bigger. I think that'll work. I think that's a 3, or let's see, 1/16 is the size of this bit. So if you guys are putting this light bar on, you need a 1/16 bit, I believe. We'll see here in just a second. Okay. Try it again here. Yep, that'll work. It's a little snug too, so threads will hold in it. That's good. That's good. Yeah, and it does come with nuts, so we'll put them on after we get everything where we want it. Then we will put one in the back. I got a new LED light too, so I'm hoping that's helping with the lighting so you guys can see a little better. There's that one. And I'm doing the holes as the one all the way up front of the slot and then one all the way in the back of the slot. Alright, there's that. Now we can do the other one. This guy bolted in up front. And drill one in the back. Woo, that one went through quick. All right. Okay, there's that. Then I will have to drill a hole for this cable. I'll get one side in. I still got to find another screw because I lost my one. But it will be a little snug, but it'll be all right. it'll be good. This hole lined up here. Alright, kind of see what it's going to look like. It's just going to look good. Then after we get it all in and everything, we'll plug it in. Alright guys, I'm going to go find a bolt for this thing. I should have one that matches these, so we'll see. If not, I'll just replace this one with another one, because I got all kinds of bolts. Alright guys, we'll be back here in a second. Okay guys, I couldn't find that other bolt that I lost, and I was trying to find one that would match up to this one. I couldn't find it, so I used a couple out of my bolt kit. So we did that, and I went ahead and put them in. So alright, so now we got to drill a hole for our power cable here, which I already took your plug-in piece off. I guess that's what you want to call it. I took that off so we'd be able to slide those through. So that's what we're going to do now. Get it close as I can. Just want it big enough to fit both these wires. Probably gonna have to be a little bit bigger than that. Let's waller it out with this bit. I really don't want to use a bigger bit, but I'm drilling the hole right behind this bracket, the light bar bracket. There we go. Yep, right behind it. Just big enough. Let's see how this does. I usually make them just big enough for one at a time, and then enough for the second one to slide in with the wire in there already. So we'll see here. See if I can get it through. Heck, I can't see. I think we're going to have just make a little bit bigger hole. Just a little bigger. Be able to get both through now. Okay, there's that one. Let's try the other one here. I'm going to take this body off real quick so I can get it through. There we go. And just pull them through. The heck was that? Something just fell. I don't know what it was. Then when you're pulling that through, make sure this ain't twisted up, because you don't want that to kink. Them wires are small, and then you'll have shorting out problems. And your light won't work right or anything else. I've had that happen before. Alright. There we go, guys. Set that over here real quick. Well, it might I don't even know if I don't think I'm even going to put them nuts on. I might later on, but these screws seem to hold in this plastic pretty good. And it ain't like you're going to be, yeah, bashing stuff and everything with these. I mean, you might be. Depends on what you want to do with it, but I won't be. So we had our ground on this side. Plug these back in. Ground right there. Whoop, didn't have it the right way. There we go. Sometimes when you take these off, you mess them little clips up, which I bought a whole wiring kit that comes with all kinds of these, and then the metal ends, female and male ends, so you can do your own wiring and everything. Something I bought off Amazon. It was real cheap, but it has came in handy. Alright, I don't think I have a battery down here. Alright guys, I'll be right back, and I'll get a battery and we'll hook this up and see what they look like. Alright, got our battery in. I'll go ahead and let's see here, which I'll get that all where I want it. I won't have it all loose like that, but for now we're just testing it out, see what it looks like. Plug it into the light port there. Alright. I'm just going to cover it so I don't blind you guys. Because I'd imagine it's probably a pretty bright light. Alright. There's that. That's pretty cool. I like that. Let me shut this light off here real quick so we can get a little better view. Alright. I'm just trying to... There we go. Cool. Pretty bright. Pretty bright. That is cool. There we go. We can shine the walls. See? Yep. Lights it up pretty good. Be able to do some night trail rides with this rig now. And then I'm still going to get the light kit for it, so this thing will be all lit up. Alright guys. Turn this light back on. There we go. Okay guys, well that's it for today. I was trying to make a little quicker video today, so I just did one. Well, that's all I had to put on today anyway, so. But yep, I'll try to make them a little quicker. I know some of my videos has been pretty long, but I've been putting a lot of parts on, so. But alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Like or subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.